Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Medibuild Pro. I hope you guys will be fine and doing great and enjoying your good lives. So today we are going to continue our session of remote work from home and online kind of a jobs in medical billing sector. So if you are still looking for a remote and work from home kind of a jobs in medical billing, then you are at the right place and a right video. Okay, so we are going to discuss the job number 28 in this video. So we will see that we have a job. Okay, what kind of a things and what kind of a roles and descriptions do we have for that kind of a specific medical billing job. Okay, so this is basically for the experienced one. Okay, so this is in USA. So if you have a good experience in medical billing sector residing in Pakistan, USA, or you guys can just see that in India, okay, whatever your country is, so you guys can just simply apply on this one, and they are offering a handsome salary as well. Okay, so we will see that how you guys can simply apply on this one job as well. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm just going to share my screen with you guys. So let's see what kind of a different stuff do we have. So here we go. As you guys can now see my screen, so this is Orthos Incorporation company. Okay, so they are offering different kind of a jobs in medical billing. So whenever you are at this website, so you guys just need to drop down at the end and you guys can see the career section over here. So let's see what kind of a different jobs they are offering. Are now hiring at Orthos, our most valuable resources is our team members. Okay, so let's see what are the open positions. You guys can see that business analyst, HR generalist, okay, medical billing specialist, remote. So what is that, what we are looking for? Pre-certification specialist authorization, or you guys can say that pre-certification or pre-authorization specialist as well. So this is also a remote kind of a job. Okay, so आप लोग इसके ऊपर भी apply कर सकते हैं. If you have experience in pre-certifications, then you guys can just go for this one as well. So let's see what kind of a different jobs, responsibilities, or job descriptions do we have for that kind of a specific job. So let's zoom in this one a little bit so you guys can just have a good experience to see all that kind of a stuff. Okay, so medical billing specialist, remote in Portland or okay. So Orthos is a leading edge data analyst company. Okay, so what this position supports a client located in Oregon and would require work hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so essential duties and responsibilities: assist in processing of insurance claims, including worker compensations if assigned for all financial classes, communicate with insurance companies to ensure the claims are paid. Okay, so basically we need to verify the claims are paid in a good way or they are denied due to any kind of a certain reason. Then we need to basically rectify that kind of a specific reason, and then we need to like resolve that kind of situation and appeal on that if required. Okay, so basically we need to find out the reasons why the claim is not paid, and if that is paid, then that's well and good. Required skills: high school diploma or equivalent college courses, or certificate preferred. Excellent communication skills, especially phone skills, at encourage establishment and maintenance of cooperative positive relationship with the both internal and external stakeholders. Okay, so these kind of responsibilities do we need to work. And 2 years of building experience in a hospital or surgical setting. So if you have experience. Job overview: मेडिकल बिलिंग लोकेशन इसकी बेसिकली जो है हमारे पास वो पोर्टलैंड है. ओके, और जॉब टाइप जो है वो फुल है, बट यू गाइस कैन जस्ट सिंपली वर्क ऑन दिस वन फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान एज वेल. सो अप्लाई करने का सिचुएशन देखते हैं क्या है, हाउ वी कैन बेसिकली अप्लाई ऑन दिस वन. ओके, सो सिंपली यू गाइस नीड टू ऐड योर ईमेल एड्रेस. ओके, सो आप लोग अपनी ईमेल एड्रेस ऐड करेंगे. देन यू गाइस नीड टू ऐड योर basically resume or CV. Okay, so you guys can just attach it from your my computer, okay, personal computer as well. ड्रॉप बॉक्स से भी कर सकते हैं, गूगल ड्राइव के ऊपर अगर अवेलेबल है तो वहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे अपनी जो डिटेल्स हैं, कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन, फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम, ओके, सिटी, कंट्री. अब इसके अंदर आप इंडिया भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. यू गाइस कैन सी दैट. ओके, let me do this one. Okay, so here we have India. Okay, so इसके बाद आप अपनी कोई भी स्टेट है यहाँ पर वो अपनी स्टेट ऐड कर सकते हैं. If you are residing from Pakistan, then you guys can simply add Pakistan over here as well. ठीक है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान से भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So पाकिस्तान ऐड करने के बाद then you guys can just see I am from Punjab. Okay, you guys can just add different kind of other stuff as well. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप अपनी जो दूसरी इंफॉर्मेशन है, सिटी और वगैरह वगैरह यहाँ पर ऐड कर सकते हैं. हाउ डिड यू हेयर अबाउट अस? यू गाइस कैन जस्ट सी कि हाँ यहाँ पर आप फेसबुक ऐड कर सकते हो, कुछ भी मीन्स है कि सिंपली अदर रिसोर्सेज ऐड कर सकते हो. ओके, so later on, you guys, are you presently authorized to work in United States? You guys need to stay. No. Do you now or will in future require sponsorship from employment? No, because we want to work online. Or and what is your expected salary? You guys can just simply say 40K per dollars per year. ठीक है, per annum. you can apply, means ये कि इस तरीके से आप ऐड कर सकते हो सिचुएशन. Document upload, you can upload additional documents here which may support your application such as your cover letter. अगर आप लोगों को cover letter को पता नहीं है कि हमें किस तरीके से बनाना होता है, then you guys can just go on to my YouTube channel. Then you guys can just see different kind of other stuff over there, that how you guys can make your professional and attractive resume, as well as how you guys can make your cover letter too. Gender, you guys can set a male, ethnicity, Asian, you guys can just add this one, type your full name, उसके बाद आप अपने यहाँ पर simply submit कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so ये कुछ चीज़ें इंफॉर्मेशनल चीज़ें थी जो मुझे आप लोगों को बतानी थी, और इसके अंदर मीन्स ये कितनी कोई ज़्यादा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ सिंपल काइंड ऑफ अ स्टफ. यू गाइस जस्ट नीड टू ऐड ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ ओवर हियर एंड देन यू गाइस कैन जस्ट सबमिट दिस वन. जैसे ही आप सबमिट करेंगे यू विल रिसीव अ कंफर्मेशनल ईमेल ऑन योर ईमेल एड्रेस. ठीक है, so this is a simple way you guys can just apply on this one. So keep applying, क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है 1 2 4 जॉब से ऊपर जाहिर सी बात है हो सकता है कि हाँ भी आप लोगों को रिस्पॉन्स ना आए, बट कीप इट अप. ओके, सो जिस तरीके से क्या, keep trying, keep knocking at the door. So once you are knocking at the door, then you will receive a response soon, inshallah. So this was all about this kind of a job. So if you guys have any kind of a difficulty, problem, or any kind of a trouble while applying on this job, then you guys can let me know. Okay, so if you want to learn medical billing, then our second basically the fourth batch is going to start from 2nd May. ओके, सो सेकंड में से हमारा फोर्थ बैच स्टार्ट हो रहा है. उसके अंदर ये है कि मीन्स हमारे 2 मंथ का सेशन होता है, 40 मिनट की पर क्लास होती है, फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे 10 PM पाकिस्तान स्टैंडर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टाइम. मीन्स है कि हमारे जो क्लासेस का वो होते हैं लाइव सेशंस होते हैं. यू गाइस कैन आल्सो गेट द रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स एज वेल. सो इफ यू आर स्टिल लुकिंग टू लर्न मेडिकल बिलिंग स्किल, then you guys can join my badge. Okay, so you guys can just WhatsApp me for different kind of details as well. Basically I have already made lectures as well on my fourth batch. Okay, so inshallah we'll meet in the next lecture. Basically, till then, take care of yourself and of your family, and do remember me in your kind prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.